Tonight's homework is about sales tax. And a key skill in working with sales tax is being able to change the percents into decimal form before you multiply. So you can see these tax rates from these different states need to be changed into decimal form. In order to do that, I need to slide the decimal over 2 hops and fill in zeros if needed. So for this one, for California, it would be 0.0725. For Texas, 2 hops over, 0.0625. Minnesota down here is a little bit tricky because it's in mixed number form. We know that 1/2 is the same as 0.5. So 6.5%. 2 hops over would be 0.065. So as you start looking over at your homework page, I see one that may give you a little bit of trouble, number 4. We'll need to first add together the 2 pairs of jeans and the shirt together. So we'll be adding those amounts. And then we'll need to multiply it by the sales tax, just like I did for Minnesota. 4.5% is the same as 4.5. So 2 hops over. Fill in that 0. So you'll need to multiply 0.045 times the amount that you got for the money. The total cost, remember, you get by adding the items plus the sales tax. Give all that a try and bring it to class tomorrow for homework check.